This week on the dock started very well, with the welcome return of the Wolf Islander 4. It was no great surprise to see another major concrete pour underway. The considerable care in finishing was again very much on display. Nearby, there was some work on the side of the ramp. But the focus of attention was on the concrete pour. All the hard work produced the results you can clearly see here. On the north side, efforts to clean up and level the surface were observed, and formwork was seen in the two trenches in the area. This was the scene on Tuesday morning. Before very long, concrete arrived to fill the forms and protect their content, either conduit or perhaps drain. By day's end, everything was shrouded to cure. Coarse gravel continued to be removed from the site and fine gravel delivered. Down beside the ramp, some measurements suggested that the fenders may be coming back before long. And before I forget, it should be mentioned that the passenger boarding ramp work appears to be complete. This week's title hinted at the fact that persistent rain made it impossible to cover the dock on Thursday and Friday. But here's the situation on Saturday. Considerable progress has been made on the north side. The south side of the passenger terminal is clearly being prepared for something special too. Probably a concrete sidewalk. Railings loose on the side of the south finger dock are likely intended to protect the vacuum mooring installation, and the cabinet for the bubbler system. The weekend absence of workers provided an opportunity to look at the eaves of the terminal. Newly arrived fenders and the brackets that support them supported the idea that they'll be going in soon. We'll close this week with a look at the stately Wolf Islander 4 approaching Kingston, and hope for better weather in the week ahead. Thanks again for watching.